pasta for lasagna. This is Cindy from Cindy's Home Kitchen, and I wanted to give you a little tips, heads up on this. Tip of the day, we're making a pasta lasagna or any kind of like pasta that requires to be in the oven. Make sure that you dry it, you hang it. You want to hang these noodles because if you hang them, you will not find that watery kind of like sauce that sometimes when it's done and you cut it, see all this water around. That happens because a lot of people do not hang the pasta. So this is the pot where I boil it, okay? And this is my thing over here where I drain it. So I'm gonna use this to dry it. You wanna dry it a good 10, 15 minutes. You don't wanna use that like that because even if you see it like that, it's still dripping. I already put cold water, so that was my tip of the day. Don't forget to dry your noodles when making a lasagna. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Monday. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.